Women of all mafia.
Yes.
Still Sabina, yo! Still you!
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Sabina, this is just the beginning. We, the women of all mafia.
Yes.
We have come to warn you to keep away and stay clear from our husband. If you got this, you are stupid, useless sukumato, and you are evil wine that you used to manipulate our husbands. We ask you to keep it away from them. Hey, else we will gather you and your stupid, useless daughters as a young. We will hold your waist, break it, and condemn it to pieces. This your foolish waist. This your useless waist. If you don't know how to tie like us, you can say return back to Congo. You return back to Congo with
There's not much time for too much talk. We are just warning you. We are warning you. And that's how we call it to the action. I gave you my papa. This is just the beginning. What you don't know is bigger than you. C'est fini. Au revoir.
You are welcome, honorable women of old prophet. You're welcome. Thank you, Nayobi. What bred this rumpus? Nayobi, this help rescue our husbands from the evil grip of Sabina Makosa and Makosa. Biko Nayo.
Yes! Yes!
Who are they? And how did they grip your husbands? They are the Congo returnees. Yes. And ever since they set up that evil Makosa joint, our husbands have suddenly become drunkards.
Totally useless. I think there's more to this Makosa dance of theirs that meets the eyes. And they must stop it. They must stop it.
Order! You know what? Leave here, straight, and get the woman. Bring her and her daughter here, right now.
They say that all my elders against their senses. Now tell me, what child have you raised to tear my life? Order!
No, I'm not using any child. I do my duty to clean hands.
What kind of dance do you do that is so special to my elders?
Just Makosa dance.
I want you to dance it now before me.
Now your big commands. Dance for him now.
Do it here. Play it here. Dance.
Pas de problème. Ma.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she don't want, that dance the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet your mama, cause you know say never chop bread of mama. Mama the sucker, we knock you over. Mama the sucker, we knock you over. Dance so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight, cause you want chop my money now. Go down, so she want follow me now. Go down, so she want follow me. Go down, me and you for stage now. Showdown, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine, shorty. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Come to my party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took it. 1, 2, put on your shoes, 3, 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, put your legs dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward. Let me show you how we do this. Love is in a truck, allow me to my mental. Music on my hobby, all of them shock up, cause I put these on. Grab your old toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, enter the party, dance. I swear you do.
My dear Sabina, I am sorry for the palm wine that turned to water. It is a miracle of love. I am writing this letter to let you know how I feel about you. I swear to God, you are the only cockroach in my cupboard. No, by reason of her size, I can't call her cockroach. Okay, you are the only elephant in my jungle. If I am a cripple, you are my wheelchair. You are the sugar in my tea, the salt in my soup, the kerosene in my stove, the skeleton in my bonnet, the only isimbwaka in my brain. If I continue to write my love for you, I will cover the whole world with my handwriting, and it won't be enough. Please, dear Sabina, I love you. Talk your own. yours, super lover boy, Ichie Omenka Mwagaranya. Bye bye.
Mademoiselle Sabina, and I go to Lampa. You just scatter our head when you did dance makosa. To ma belle c'est seigneur, and a vous to levu. Je vous samba makosa, ye bukwa madebu. Since I come this village, things don't change. And I yorizi makosa one day till the day break. Mwa windy uku makosa. Nukutuku uku Sabina. Mwa windy uku makosa. Nukutuku.
The more I try to apologize to her, the more I love her. Something tells me Isima is the right girl for me. But how do I make her see that I am truly in love with her? Oh God, what do I do?
Bonjour Seigneur, Afolengenanya, je m'appelle Bobo, Ibi Fenacho, English or French, talk a many how you like you. Letting me say, I like your way, very bongo.
Why yeah? I was not in the mix. Huh? You just tryna see you. Yeah. You got this girl hanging out for you. That's what I said. She's not what they want you. Huh? See this girl to like to love you. She want to buy. She want to ride with you. Huh? Honey, can I carry? She just feeling my barrow. I know it's been a go. Why you won't follow me into my barrow? These allegations must shake for me. See me, I mean, must shake for me. And me too, must shake for me. Must shake for me. Must shake for me. Let's go again, rocking the body, making my money like a lemonade. Too much money, too much body, too much money. We've been balling, we've been calling, say I'll be loving you, love and love. Say we've been balling, holla, she's like my dollar, she's like me hammer, she's me dollar. Zion and David, we killing the beat. Although without it's feeling the hit, I get the power to make you defeat. Make you know though, you make me like this. When I they call me collar. When I sing, they call me baller. Back in the days when I get $10. Back in the days when I get $10. We've been balling, this thing you do to me, Allah. Everything you do to me, Allah. Baller, baby. See this girl now, lady. Like the way you give me, make you know though, feel me. We've been balling, we've been calling, say I'll be loving you, love and love. Say we've been balling, holla, she's like my dollar, she's like me hammer, she's me dollar. Kalale oh, mommy yeah. Kalale oh, as I will love you down tonight. All this current, later go love you down tonight. All this current, later go love you down tonight. Skip up to party, everybody that come to my party. Them say me I be Illuminati. Skip up to party. Jay-Z. I be smart in the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she don't want, that dance the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like I take. I the react to something like I take. All them want to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet your mama, cause you know say you never chop bread about. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight, cause you want chop my money now. Go down, so she want follow me now. Go down, so she want follow me. Go down, me and you for stage now. Showdown, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, artists, we always dance. Take to the left, to the right, bring forward. Let me show you how we do this. Not be saying I talk, allow me to my mental. Music on my hobby, all of them shock up, cause I go do is watch. Grab your old toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spare you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I know. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy.
You do it for what I knew. C'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur. You walk on no.
Woman, what is it? What is making you scream like you had dinner with Lucifer in your dream? What is it?
Man, the two most expensive rappers that I have are missing. George Mefuola.
How could your rapper miss in this house? Eh? Okay, by the way, where did you keep those rappers?
I kept them beneath other rappers in my iron box. Man, I'm finished.
Okay. Have you asked your daughter? Ijuga Dagwan.
She denied, Nani.
She denied?
Everyone.
Auriga!
Yes, Papa.
Will you come here before I have a good
Papa, I'm here.
Onyoshi! What happened to the rappers your mother is searching for? What happened to those rappers?
No, I swear I didn't touch the rappers.
Oh, liar! I didn't say you touched them. You didn't touch them, but you took them. Look, I want you to listen and listen good. If you know what is good for you, I give you before evening. If you don't bring those rappers, even if it means going to the Jupiter or Mercury to bring them, you better do so. Because if you don't do that, I promise you, by tomorrow morning, you will wake up in your grave.
Mama, I didn't touch any rapper. I don't even know what.
Liar! Then who did? You're the only girl in this house. When did rats and cockroaches in this house start starring rapper? I don't know.
Woman. That is not the issue now. Whether rats or cockroach tie rappers, that is not the issue. The issue that I have made my point, and that is final.
Liar!
You do hear me?
Woman, warn your stupid husband. I am not interested in tying another woman's rapper or becoming a second wife. Warn your husband. Warn your husband.
Sabina makosa kichira konjenye. Hey, you check on Nico. You said them a buogi. Oni fella, Sabina makosa.
Who does that Congo rabbit think she is? She has the mosquito guts to snatch my betrothed away from me with that her stupid Makosa baby bush dance.
They have already turned this village upside down with that their Alika dance. Then I begin to wonder what is so special in that their Makosa. And what around here?
Maybe she and her mother thinks they're the only one who can dance. Why don't we show them that there's always a Nigerian version of everything? That is exactly what I am talking about. Hey, babe, you don't make my hair sweat. I can't wait to pull over. I'll lip like Limpopo on a good day. That's cool, okay, but let me just hold my side. I mean, shine your eyes. The battle line is drawn.
You got this girl hanging out, but
Shall we fold our hands and watch our husbands perish at the useless bottom or waste of a Makosa dancer? On a meme. Go on to open. Open a mother on the banana. Open a Cogo. Come on, you up, cannot do. Simply because Nayobi has lost his senses. He has lost his senses at the bottom of a Makosa dancer.
What is it that Sabina has that we don't have? Is it not breast? Is that we have to fight for our right, what belongs to us? Yes. For the futures of our children. We are too big to be caught with our bent hook. Sabina, using civil powers. Don't you see, even Manyobi has suddenly donated his dignity to the hips of the evil witch. The evil woman. We must sue her in the chambers of the street. You know, Ezemo has no patience for wishes. Amadio has tried is the destination.
I keep quiet. I am watching it. I am
This is part of the Makosa exercise dancing. And if any of you do not want to be part of this group, you can indicate by raising up your hand. Okay, I see all of you want to be part of my group. Well, it's good. But meanwhile, if you pass, definitely you will be among the people I will take along with me to go and dance. Somewhere, I mean. Okay, so let's start.
Dance oh my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine, shorty. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine.
Wow, you guys are good. Clap for yourselves. Okay.
I heard that you two now detect the truth that the husbands of these women now dance.
We are innocent of the allegations.
What gave you the animal boldness to make yourself gods over the men of this village?
We have to stop this woman and her evil Makosa before our husbands. Before our husbands start walking naked. Look at her. Our husbands are not our husbands. But one baby in the hand of this witch, very witch of two of them. And if you take a look at it, there's no that she's in two of them. Yes. She's a witch. She's a witch.
Now, are you telling me that this multitude of dogs work toothlessly? What is there in that magical dance that has murdered the dignity of the elders of this village? I want to hear that dance now. I want to hear. How dare you? How dare you behave me so weak? I have been tested with the dust because he was conceived. I want to see the dance now.
Mama. Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Yes, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her she make tall, let me see her. Let me see what she want. Let us get this. I the actor, action. I the do what you get to the take. I the react to something like that. Don't them want to do, I'm a mistake. Go US, go meet your mama, cause you know say never left to the right, big front. Let me show you how we do this. Not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mental. Music on my hobby. All of things track up. Cause I would do something. Have your own choice. I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body. I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 dance. Enter the party. Dance, dance, dance. I spare you the money. Dance, dance, dance. You show me the money. Dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life. Oh, sexy lady, no I know. See this shawty too fine. Oh, roll for me, never put it down. So cause I'm living director's life. Oh, sexy.
Everybody in this council knows I'm a widower. And as a matter of fact, my Moses rod has been dormant for many, many, many years. Yes, you can say, because you have wives. All of you have wives. You have wives who can warm your cold nights for you. But I found a woman whose condition corresponds with mine. But this big-headed Udoma has carried his big head to run after her, to interfere, to disturb everything. Look, Nayobi, please tell Udoma to leave Sabina Makosa from you. Hey. Tell him to leave Sabina Makosa from you. Nayobi. I don't know why Omenka likes attacking me all the time. I don't know why he hates me. Even when a he-goat eats his yams, he accuses me of it. No, tell me, Omenka, where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? The Sabina you are talking about, my fellow elders, I am an elder also, and I must not tell lies. The Sabina you are talking about, I am not the only one dragging Sabina with you. Am I the only one? I am not. Meaning what? Yes. This man who is sitting by your side, that man, Mazi Okpara. I saw Mazi Okpara almost raping Sabina with a tobacco of yam. Mazi Udoma, am I telling lies? If not for one thing, I could have called you a madman. Me, madman? Are you not a madman? Am I? So I'm the only one that you see. It is you I have seen. It is you. Huh? What about Mazio Sinashi that's sitting there next to you here? Huh? Yeah. Is he not always kneeling down and begging Sabina to be second wife? Chobara, keep my fiagonu. Agwo, suso gonu. Ukitararanshi, negonu. I always know you as my number one enemy in this village. So if you point this your crooked finger at the right person, will it wither? I'm asking you, will it wither? Am I lying? My fellow elders, I will now call the spade a spade, not shovel. Metue aku ebo isubao. This man here. This man. Which man? Are you afraid to call his name? Look, call his name. Are you afraid? Uku naga warawara. Anya naga warawara na fear. You think we don't see? Nothing is hidden under the sun. You are the only person, number one person, to claim Sabina's heart. Because every day I see you running Olympic marathon round about her, showering her with gifts. You think I don't know? Am I telling lies? Am I telling lies? Say the truth. And so what? What is your business there? Why are you telling me anything, Amaro? Eh? Why? You cannot clean it up. No one is. Yes, you. Make a male. No different. Calling a jogging. Try me. I are chugging to the No, you cannot do anything. Unyara, look at you. I a legless beast. Sit down. Sit down. What is your problem? Nonsense. Kube. Gini. Umusinkwe. Nayobi. Onkwe.
Wani ya kokwo na ndo. Ibu no kokwo. Very talkative. If you like, talk. Who gaban?
You want me to really talk?
Talk now. When you go ahead.
Elders Ibem, my fellow elders. Nanyobi started this. Started giving Sabina money.
Hey! Abatoya Joma.
Huge money.
No wonder.
To entice her so that she will become his third wife. I saw everything. Koro!
Hey! Why you want dance?
I am not the only one.
Wonder shall never end.
Hey!
May the gods strike you.
Ino na egwu a e na agbu ya na kona ama pe inokwe ya
Strike your mouth.
omenke inokwe ya
Why ejide ndị ichie niile n'ọrụ Maazị Obi ịgba knockout.
kaboom.
Hey! So you were playing away match, you and the other elders. No. We are not involved. Boundary from here. With the woman, I thought I would erase my widowhood on 2 conditions. Number 1, I want you to use the eyes with which the elders see what is in the bag and see this report, this talkative, this canary I've just given to you concerning my person. Number 2, Reka said he's a widower. He is not a widower. Am I not a widower? You are not. You are not. Can a man whose wife is still alive claim to be a widower? No! You are not a widower because you willingly divorced your wife. What is the difference between a divorced wife and a dead wife? Look at the difference here. You are what they call Ofoguri. Ofoguri. That's what you are. I must say that all of you are a bundle of disappointments to this kingdom. You have failed as elders. But you have my ancestors to contend with.
Keep your things right. You are the one that started this. Yes, you take your time. Yes, mind your own business. You shouldn't put your nose into my business. You can't play me. Omeka.
Look at how you are fooling yourself.
Omeka,
God, we are not a
I'm coming, let me bring this one.
Sabina, Wendi uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendi uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. makosa. Nukutuku, nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendi uku, uku makosa. Nukutuku, nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendi uku.
Nah, the food is ready here. Nah. Come on, please. What did I do myself a few minutes ago? I know you are somewhere here. Don't play this joke. I'm hungry, I beg. Nah. I know you're somewhere in this house, so please come out. Yeah, I'm hungry. So eat. I don't know what you are doing. Let's eat our food. I'll just wait for you a little minute. I'll start eating. I don't know.
Mademoiselle Sabina, Anapotulamba. You just scatter our head when you did dance makosa. To ma belle, c'est seigneur. Allez-vous, tous les vous. Je vous. Samba makosa.
Sabi.
Let me go and get it.
Sabi. Sabi. Hey. Sabina. It is you I have come to see.
Me?
Yes, you. I have come to tell you that I love you.
You love me?
In fact, I am dying for you, Sabina. Eh? There is something I want to tell you, Sabina. Please, don't let any other ear hear it. Eh? Grandma Nanyobi has epilepsy. Akoko. Nanyobi has akoko. Epilepsy. Iche Opara has gonorrhea. Gonococcus. Iche Onowa has syphilis.
Really?
Iche Omega, that one has HIV. HIV that will soon mature to AIDS. You think I'm telling lies, but the man that is talking to you, the very chief security officer of this community, it is me, Udoma. I don't have anything inside me. My body is very clean, strong, well protected. In fact, I am protection itself.
Okay. If you truly love me, I want you to prove it. Massage my legs. Go ahead.
Can I touch
Oh
you?
yeah, go ahead, massage it.
What the man?
Excuse me? Excuse me! What is that you're doing? Stop it!
But
Stop scratching the leg. Use your red cap and do that.
Eh?
Use your red cap.
To use my chieftaincy cap?
Yes.
Mbano, Sabina. Mbano. How can I use this chieftaincy cap to clean your leg? It is not.
And you say you love me?
Yes, no, Sabina, because just
leave my legs alone. You don't even love me.
Please, let me do it, please, because Nemo Sabi.
Just go ahead, use the cap to do it.
For the love that I have for you, I will do it. Hey! How the man get there? Sabina, Sabi you.
Mademoiselle Sabina, Anapotulamba. You scatter our head when you did dance makosa.
Yeah.
To my belle,
Sabia.
Samba makosa.
All right. Is there any other thing that I have to do?
Come this village, things don't change. And I always in makosa one day till the day break.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance. activities like overtaking. I didn't react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say never chop bread Obama. Mama, this a go we knock you over. Mama, this a go we knock you over. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight, cause you want chop my money now. Go down, so she want follow me now. Go down, so she want follow me. Go down, me and you for stage now. Show down, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spend you my money, baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah, come dance for me, your biggie body, fine, shorty, oh yeah, come dance for me, oh. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see dance. Come to my party, let me see dance. Teach me how to dance, cause I know sorry dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took a dance. 1, 2, put on your shoes, give it 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, we always dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward.
It's a very nice dance. Mama,
Papa, no.
Hey.
But it's a very good exercise,
though.
Hey.
My waist, too.
You just rest more, we'll start again.
Dance again. Make my waist break.
Why you won't break your waist? It's good.
Hi, my fellow women. It is now no longer fire on the mountain. What it is now is about the disaster. About the disaster in Obofa village. As in Anyagefo Dakani and what Sabina Makosa. Turn us into an object of caricature. This is the time. This is the time you take the bull by his horns.
What are we grabbing the bull by the horn for? Let us set the evil bull on fire! Into the hearts of our men. She has proven to have her ways into the hearts of our men. We will show her that the strength of a woman is stronger than the muscle of a man. Let us stress ourselves, really. Even in Nanyobi, say we should ignore her. We should not do anything to her. But we are going to kick against that pronouncement. Because I know he made it under the influence of Makosa ways. So that's a Congo witch. Is it Nanyobi going to marry?
So many ways spoil the action. Let us begin by setting that so-called Makosa joint on fire.
Not only setting that place on fire,
we will also burn down the stupid Makosa set that they are using.
I have a suggestion, which I think is justifiable. Anytime. Come to think of it, this woman thinks she can buy the heart of her husband with her useless Makosa dance. Impossible. She's equally telling you, telling all of us that we cannot dance. I want us to learn this Makosa dance. Challenge her to this dance. Claim back our husband. Our husbands will know that whatever Sabina can do, that we, the Obafia women, can do it better. Running the shop and the lady doesn't make sense because our husbands will be the one to buy those things back for them. It doesn't make sense.
You said it well. Don't do quiet. I agree to her suggestions. Yes. I agree to her suggestions. We shall dance Makosa dance.
Yes.
We will take back our husband.
Yes.
We will dance Makosa.
Just when you did dance Makosa. Tu m'appelles ce Seigneur, allez-vous tous les vous. Je vous. Samba Makosa, yebu kwa marebu. Since na come this village, things don't change. Anayorizi Makosa wane till day break. Wa wendi uku Makosa. Nukutuku uku Sabina. Wa wendi uku Makosa. Nukutuku.
Sabina's house, of course. Where else? Eh? That is the only destination all our men now know in this village.
I am so disappointed. Can you imagine a whole Nanyobi? Hey! But how could a whole Nanyobi? How could he be so cheaply captured by such an irresponsible woman? Hey!
My dear.
Who would then caution our husbands?
My dear, that's by the way. I really need to be at that Makosa dance rehearsal today.
Me too.
In fact, I need to get that charm that will pin my husband down to his responsibilities.
She deserves to be killed.
Indeed.
She has completely captured the entire village. Hey! Like, I even heard that Ichiomenka collapsed in her Makosa joint yesterday. While he was trying to dance till daybreak, just to impress her.
I wonder what Nayobi will want to do to press her. Maybe he will want to dance around the village.
Or even dance naked in the market.
That woman is something else.
She is.
As you said, she deserves to die.
She deserves to die, my dear.
My dear.
Let's go.
Is anyone in the house?
Oh, Nai. Oh, you're welcome. I greet you. Oh. Oh.
For me? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Let me at least touch you. Thank you. Is anyone else at home?
No, I'm all alone.
You see, Sabina, during my youthful days, I had more girls than the number of the days in each year. Yes, every year. But there's one thing very certain to me. I had never fallen in love with any woman, just the way I am doing in your case now.
Oh,
oh, you see, to the extent that when I sleep now, I sleep in your love.
oh.
When I wake in your love.
Oh.
When I eat in your love. And when I drink, I see myself drinking your love. You see, what I want from you now is this. You can now see that virtually everything I do it in your love.
Oh.
Please, you can even come over and take over my 2 wives.
Oh.
That will be my pleasure.
Nai, you love me.
Truly.
I would like you to prove it.
Request anything you want.
Yeah, kiss my toe.
Just that? Oh, it's my pleasure. And when I kiss it, I kiss it in your love. Oh, Sabina.
I want you to do one more thing for me.
Request anything you want.
Take away your bead, that thing on your neck, and put it on my neck.
This bead? This bead?
Yes, I want it.
Oh, what could this mean to you?
Oh, you don't even love me, and you claim you love me. Oh, you don't even love me.
It's all right.
It's okay. Is there no nothing?
Yes.
The beard. Come, give me your smile. Give me your smile. I will give it for your love. I will give the bead. And if you know the meaning of this bead is the proof that I'm the eldest man in this village, in this town. And by implication, this is my proof of being the obi of this kingdom. You want it now? Because I love you, I will give it to you. Take it. Oh, Sabina, Sabina, oh, Sabina, Sabina. Apart from this, do you still want any other thing from me? What of the handpiece? What of this one? Tell me what you want.
I'm okay with this.
All right, so you're okay now. I want to put up a request. Sabina, please kindly come over and take over from my wife's.
You're funny.
What else are you wanting? Oh, Sabina, Sabina, Sabina. Oh, Sabina, Sabina, Sabina. Oh.
You're funny.
Hey.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one that does the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtaking. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say never show pride of Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Your busy body. Fine, shorty. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Come to my party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took the dance. 1, 2, put on your shoes, 3, 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, put your legs dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward. Let me show you how we do this, not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mental, music on my hobby. All of them shock up, cause I could use touch. Grab your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I know. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I know. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine.
Now, where are you going? Don't tell me you're going to Ramakosa joint when we don't have anything to eat this evening.
So what? So what? When have I become a mama, Iwu or Okoko, that you should use my flesh for food? Don't lay those hands on me. Don't!
No, I will not allow you.
I will not allow you to go to that evil joint. Never. I will never allow it.
Listen, I have a lot of appetite for palm wine and the makosa this evening. Don't allow me to transform them into anger. Don't.
Like, you're not going anywhere.
I said get out. Two. Go stop like.
Now you're
Stupid. You should have waited for my punch, which I would have used to write the true spelling of anger on your head, on your face. Stupid woman. Nonsense.
Oh, Nan! So you want to kill me? You want to kill your wife because you're not my daughter?
Nonsense. I think I will soon send you back to your parents.
No problem.
That...
Oh, Nan! Because of that useless but because a woman. You think I always pass my own? Whatever you're looking for in her voice is here. Come back home. I'm waiting for you. Come and see my own button. Nonsense. Hi.
Nai, this one you're shining your shoe. Where are you going?
Ify Kemel, there is an emergency I have to attend fast.
Emergency? Where? And where are you going to?
Makosa joint.
Magene?
You heard me right. Ishokankowale.
I want to hear. Tell me.
Sit down. Makosa joint is a place run by this woman that came back from Congo. Her name is Sabina, together with her daughter.
Did I tell you I don't know that joint? That witchcraft center with her demons. No, you're not going anywhere.
Good. Now that you know the place, there is a dancing competition amongst the elders tonight at Makosa joint. And the winner takes Sabina as a wife.
I still insist you're not going to partake in the dance. So what's the essence of you explaining Makosa? Or what even aga?
Nah, Inwa go inugo. I am overdue for a second wife. You need an assistant. Did I
tell I'm tired? No, did I tell I'm tired? You're not going there.
You better say your last prayer, sir, because I am going. And I'm sure I'm going to win that competition.
Get ready to kill me.
Maybe sure on the chapel.
He will come back and meet me here. When you believe it. Oh! Sabina. Every day, Sabina. Someone will know you have something this village. You can see Sabina.
Yes. You all are welcome to this Makosa dancing competition.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to play the music. You're going to dance. You will keep dancing until we have the last man standing. And the last man standing will eventually be my husband. I can't wait. I can't wait to have one of you as my husband. But I'll get one of my dancers to come and show you what I want. The waist. Yeah. Twist it. You make me feel you. Why me and Cecilia will be the judges. So, music.
I'm smart in the mix. You just tryna see you. Yeah. You got this girl hanging out for you. That's what Versace is. That's what they want you. See this girl to like to love you. She want to buy. She want to ride with you. Honey, can I carry? She just feeling my barrow. I know it's been a go. Why you want to know me until my barrow? Please, and again, she must check for me. See me, I mean, I must check for me. And me too, I let my check for me. I must check current, better go love it down tonight. All this current, better go love it down tonight. Skip up to party, everybody that come to my party. Them say me a be Illuminati, Illuminati. Skip.
That is what I want, huh? I have the first man to come. Come on stage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that dance the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtaking. I the react to something like party. Don't them what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never choke right Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine, shorty. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Come to my party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took it. 1, 2, put on your shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, put your legs dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward. Let me show you how we do this. Love is in a talk, allow me to my mental. Music on my hobby, all of in the shock, cause I put these on. Grab your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, enter the party, dance. I spray you the money, dance. You show me the money, dance. Cause I'm living the reckless life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living the reckless life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Go for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she
If we don't succeed,
Sabina, Makosa, and Sefenyon by our down steps, we will crush them by war.
Yes!
There are so many ways to kill a rat.
Wow.
This time around, we will send them 6 feet below the ground.
Wow.
Yes. Have we agreed?
Yes!
Have we agreed?
Yes!
This is time for war. Let's hit.
Lady K, Lady K, Lady K, Lady K, Lady K, Lady K, Lady K,
Enough of this Makosa dance.
I said enough of this ovation.
Sabina Makosa and her daughter must be banished from this land. Today and not tomorrow.
What is it? We go take something and say we are equal to the town. We will go there and blow out the woman. Oh, my blood is so long, even my legs I got to fly to that side. Let us go.
What is going on here? What? I said, what is going on here? What is it? To fear one. See, nobody has died in my family. This is my... What is happening here? What is going on here?
Please, I tried reaching you over the phone from Congo.
but you weren't picking my calls.
Sabina has been using my phone since she came back from Congo.
Which Sabina?
Uncle, how many Sabina do we have in our family? Huh? Uncle, please, just ask them to take away this thing. Uncle, it's a taboo. It's a taboo.
When last had Sabina visited this village that you claim that she uses your phone?
Uncle, Sabina.
Please help me.
Emergency.
and a foot to live. Samba Makosa, ye bookwa marebu. Since I come this village, things don't change. And I always Makosa one day till the day break. Wendy uku Makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendy uku Makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina.